Well, under the hood of my 93 Bronco, mostly stock, except the new alternator I told you about, the new battery, and the big ass run of zero gauge. About to do big three and get paint and body. My little corner's messed up. Got the parts to fix that in the house. I'm just waiting for all this snow. No, all this extra ice to go away, since I don't have a garage to put it in. 5.0, fuel injected, 93 Ford Bronco, Eddie Bauer edition, the limited version. Showed you the stereo before, and this little small rust I gotta get fixed. That there over both wheel wells on both sides, and that back there on this side.